Hey guys, it's me. I know that you're not used to doing things online, but you are used to Google Classroom, so you should be able to navigate it pretty easily. I'm going to walk you through everything that's going to be due today, and make sure that you do all of your assignments because that's how you're going to be counted as being here. So it needs to all be done, and it all needs to be done by 3/21, unless I receive an email from you with a question and I didn't answer it. Okay, so please make sure that you get it all done. So let's take a look really quick. So you're going to go on to Tuesday, November 3rd, that's obviously our day that we're going to be there. And you're going to be doing a couple of different assignments, okay? The Reading Plus is the first thing that you're going to be doing. So it's going to say Reading Plus Diagnostic. You're going to click on this link right here, and it says, here are the directions. Click on the link below, log in with the first letter of your first name and your full last name. So for example, it would be, if it was it would be my name, it would be S. Yanchuk. And then you'll enter the password MCSCS1234, all lowercase letters. And then you're going to watch the video, and it's going to walk you through everything. It's just going to explain to you what they're going to be doing, and it's going to explain to you how to take the test, okay? This is going to be one of those tests where you're going to feel like you're there forever, but that's okay. The more questions you have, the more things that they're going to have you read, the better off you are, because we're going to be able to kind of make sure we know exactly where you are for reading level wise, okay? So it's going to help me understand that. So that's reading assignment number 1. Reading assignment number 2 is reading Raz Kids I Can Vote. So you're going to go on to Raz Kids, you're going to click on assignments, read the book I Can Vote, answer the questions, and then you're going to answer the prompt that's attached to the Google Doc. When I open it up, it says, how was the kids voting the same as the adults, and how was it different? Now, you know very well that if you give me a one-word answer, I'm going to be a little upset, because you know very well that we speak in complete sentences. We make sure that we use our grammar skills. We make sure that we are writing properly. So we want to make sure that we answer these questions fully in complete sentences, okay? So make sure you do that. The third thing that you're going to be doing is your writing prompt. So using the attached Google Doc, answer the following questions in 5 to 7 sentences. Remember to proofread your work. Grammar and spelling count. What are 3 characteristics that you need to be a good leader? So remember, we talked about character traits. So what traits do you think that you would need to be a good leader? And also explain why. Now, it does say 5 to 7 sentences, so make sure you get those 5 to 7 sentences in there. Then you're going to do science. Here's our science. You're going to read pages 260 and 261 only. And then you're going to complete the notes pages that are attached here for page 260 and 261 only. And then you're going to use the read works page, okay? So that's your science. Then we have math. Math is really, really cool. I hope you guys have so much fun. You're going to click this Google form here, and the Google form is actually going to bring you to an escape room, and it's going to ask you for a password. Your password is value, and I put that in the Google Classroom right here. It says super secret password is value. Please take a screenshot when you get to the very end and you've completed your task, and post that screenshot to the assignments. You're going to attach it as the assignment to Google Classroom so that I saw that you did it, okay? That's for math. For homework, I know that you're at home, but this is going to be counted as a homework grade, so it's homework. You're going to watch the video of The Purpose of Government for Kids. You're also going to read page 96 through 98. 96 is just like an introduction. 97 and 98 are where you're going to actually be doing some work. And then you're going to complete the notes pages attached here. You'll be using those notes pages again for science and social studies on Thursday, on Wednesday and Thursday, or throughout the week. So make sure you know where they are. So if you need to attach it again tomorrow, we can, but I'll explain that later on, okay? And that's pretty much your Tuesday. So you have 2 reading assignments, 1 writing assignment, a science assignment, a math assignment, and a social studies assignment. Make sure that you turn it all in by 3/21 to be counted present for the day, okay? Good luck, guys, and I will see you later.